the Neon Does. It's choreographed by Trevor Thornton. It is a 48 count, 2-wall, improver level line dance with restarts on walls 3 after 16 counts and wall 4 after 44 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts, and then we're going to go through and do 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the Neon Does. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to bring your left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot, and then we're going to do a right triple forward, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. You're now going to rock forward onto your left foot, recover back onto your right, and then we're going to do a half turning triple, starting by making a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Stepping to the right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 quarter pivots with hip rolls. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to rotate our hips counterclockwise from left to right, going around, putting your weight onto your right foot, and then recover back onto your left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to repeat that, stepping forward with our right, rotate your hips counterclockwise from left to right, putting your weight on your right, and then recover onto your left to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to point your left toe slightly into the left diagonal. You're going to step forward with your left and point your right toe slightly into the right diagonal. You can also replace those points with samba steps. So you'll go step, ball, rock, step, ball, rock, if you would like to kind of make it a little more hippie. In this tutorial, I'm just going to do the step points, but you can add those samba steps in if you would like. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do those 2 quarter pivots with hip rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 sailor steps, crossing our right behind our left. Step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. We're now going to do a left sailor step, crossing our left behind our right foot out to the side, left foot out to the side. We're now going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot to the left side and cross your right over your left. And then we're going to do a quarter turning triple over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your left, step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot forward, and you'll be facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our point. You're doing your 2 sailor steps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to keep your weight on your right foot. You're going to turn a half over your left shoulder as you kick your left foot slightly forward. You're now going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward, and you're facing 3 o'clock. We're now going to do 2 kickball changes, kicking our right low and forward, step our right next to our left, and then step your left foot slightly forward. We're going to repeat that, kick our right foot low and forward, quickly step our right next to our left, and then step your left foot slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our quarter triple. You're doing your step half turn with a kick. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 5, we're going to do right and left toe struts with hip bumps. So you're going to take that right toe, touch it forward, you're going to bump your hip right, left, and as you bump to the right, you're going to take weight onto your right foot. We're now going to do the same thing with our left. We're going to touch our left toe forward, bump your hip left, right, and as you bump left, take weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a right crossing shuffle, crossing your right over your left, step your left foot to the side, step your right over your left. We're now going to do a scissor step, stepping your left foot to the left side, bring your right foot in and next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our 2 kickball changes. You're doing your toe struts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 6, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a modified Monterey turn. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, slightly angling our body to the left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on the ball of your left foot and bringing your right foot in and next to your left to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a side mambo step, rocking the ball of our left foot to the left side and pushing your hip to the left, and then recover onto your right and step your left next to your right. We're now going to do a right side mambo step, rocking the ball of your right foot to the right side, pushing your hip to the right, recover onto your left, and step your right next to your left. We're now going to do a big step forward with our left, and then you're going to touch your right toe next to your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our scissor step. You're going to do your Monterey with your side mambo. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping to the right. Side together, triple forward. Rock, recover, half triple. Now your quarter pivots with your hip roll, quarter hip roll, step diagonal point, sailor with the right, sailor with the left. Now your weave, behind side, cross quarter, triple forward, step, half kick, coaster step, kick ball change, toe strut, crossing shuffle, scissor step, Monterey with your side mambo, big step, touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, if you're choosing to do those samba steps instead of the step points, your counts for it would be, we do our 2 quarter pivots for 1, 2, 3, 4. Your cross sambas would be 5 and 6, 7 and 8 if you wanted to do those samba steps. Now let's talk about the restarts. They're going to happen right in a row. So you're going to do your first one on wall 3 and your second one on wall 4. So they'll happen right after each other. Your first one will be facing 12 o'clock. You're going to dance the first 16 counts of the dance. That's going to bring you back to 12 o'clock. So let's dance up to those 16 counts, stepping to the right. You're doing side together, shuffle forward, rock, recover, half triple, 2 quarter pivots, and your step points. And you would restart here, going into your side together and your triple forward. When you restart there, your very next wall is where you're going to restart after 44 counts, which means we're going to leave off our last side mambo and our big step forward. You're just going to do your Monterey with your side mambo. So let's dance up to that part. We would have just restarted after our points. You're going to step to the right, side together, triple forward, rock, recover, half triple. Now your 2 quarter pivots and your cross points and your sailor steps. Now your weave and your quarter triple. Step, half kick with your coaster. Now your kickball changes. Toe struts right and left. Crossing shuffle, scissor step. Right here, we're going to just do our Monterey quarter turn. So we're going to do point, quarter turn, and your side mambo together. And then you're going to restart the dance facing the back wall. And that is the only time that you have to worry about any more of those restarts. It's just those 2 walls in a row, wall 3 and 4. And you'll dance the rest of the way through. The dance naturally ends facing 12 o'clock after you would do your first sailor step. And that will be how you would end the dance with your out, out. So now let's go around. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition between all of the restarts. Weight is on your left foot. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your side together, triple forward, rock, recover, half triple, step, quarter pivot with hips. Now your step point, sailor step with the right and the left. Now your weave, behind side, cross quarter, triple forward, step, half kick with your coaster, step, kick, ball change, toe strut with hips, crossing shuffle, and your scissor step. Monterey quarter with your side mambo, big step, touch side together, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. We're going to dance 16 counts. Side together, triple forward, rock, recover, half triple. Now your 2 quarter pivots and your 2 step points. Now restart. We're going to do 44 counts. Side together, triple forward, rock, recover, half triple. 2 quarter pivots with your hips, step point, sailor step with the right and the left, and your weave, behind side cross quarter triple forward, step half kick with your coaster, step, kick ball change, toe strut, crossing shuffle, scissor step. Now your Monterey point, quarter turn, and your side mambo together. Restart. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the neon does. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.